Welcome to today's cooking video. We're making garlic ginger chicken biryani, a dish loved for its rich spices and tender, flavorful chicken. This biryani recipe may look intricate, but I'll walk you through each step to make it easy to prepare at home, so if you're craving a restaurant-quality meal, you're in the right place. Let's start with the ingredients. Here's what we'll need. 150 grams of chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces for even cooking. 1 clove of garlic, finely minced, to give it that bold, earthy flavor. 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, which adds warmth and depth. 1 small onion, thinly sliced, which will become golden and sweet when we cook it. 100 grams of basmati rice. Basmati is perfect because of its long grains and light texture. 1 tablespoon of yogurt to tenderize the chicken and enhance the flavor. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, which will bring a vibrant color. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds for a mild nutty taste. Half a teaspoon of garam masala, a blend of spices that adds depth and warmth. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil for cooking. Fresh cilantro for garnish, giving our dish a burst of color and freshness at the end. Now let's dive into the preparation. Step 1 is marinating the chicken. In a medium mixing bowl, add the chicken pieces, yogurt, minced garlic, grated ginger, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, garam masala, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything well until each piece of chicken is coated. This marinating step is essential to tenderize the meat and infuse it with rich flavors. If you have extra time, you can let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes, or even prepare it the night before for deeper flavor. While the chicken marinates, let's talk about the spices. Turmeric brings a golden color and has anti-inflammatory benefits. Cumin seeds add an earthy flavor, and garam masala, a blend of spices like cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves, gives the dish that signature biryani aroma. Each spice layer adds to the overall taste, making this biryani truly special. Now let's move on to the rice. Basmati rice is ideal because its long grains cook beautifully. First, rinse 100 grams of basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and prevents the rice from becoming sticky. Then, soak the rice for 30 minutes, a simple step that helps it cook more evenly and gives the perfect, fluffy texture. If you're in a hurry, you could skip this step, but I highly recommend it for the best results. Once the chicken is marinated and the rice is ready, it's time to cook. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a large pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the sliced onions and sauté them until they turn golden brown. This should take around 5 to 7 minutes. The caramelized onions add a touch of sweetness and balance the spices in the biryani. Once the onions are golden, add the marinated chicken. Stir occasionally, allowing the chicken to brown and cook through, which takes about 7 to 10 minutes. You'll start to smell the amazing blend of garlic, ginger, and spices. With the chicken cooked and the rice soaked, it's time to bring everything together. Drain the soaked rice and add it directly to the pan with the chicken. Pour in 300 milliliters of water, enough to just cover the rice and chicken mixture. Stir gently to spread everything evenly. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan with a tight-fitting lid and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, avoid lifting the lid to keep the steam inside, which helps the rice absorb the spices and cook perfectly. Once the cooking time is up, turn off the heat and let the biryani sit, covered for a few minutes to allow the flavors to settle. After resting, uncover the pan and fluff the rice gently with a fork. This step keeps the grains separate without breaking them. For a final touch, sprinkle freshly chopped cilantro over the top. The green color and fresh taste bring balance to the dish's rich spices. You can also add a dash of lemon juice or a few fried onions as a garnish. And that's it. Garlic ginger chicken biryani is ready to serve. This biryani is flavorful on its own, but it's also delicious with a cooling side like plain yogurt or raita, which is a yogurt dip with cucumber and mint. These sides bring a refreshing balance to the spices in the biryani. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe for more cooking videos. Let us know how your biryani turned out in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy cooking.